I'm so sorry, guys. I accidentally exited out of my video. I'm kind of uploading that one right now. I was trying to face the camera the other way. There's water right here. I'm gonna turn my brightings up. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to end the video then. Oh god, I'm making so many mistakes today. I just need to do it real quick. Oh! It didn't turn off? No, it didn't. Oh, that's nice. That's really good to know. So, well, there's water right here. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna go over here real quick. My mom won't notice anything, right? I think, are we late? Well, it doesn't matter. My mom said that she's gonna take us to school herself, so.
Huh?
Well, yeah, I guess we're not late. Well, not that we're gonna be late to school, it's just we're not late for the bus. Yeah. I kind of don't have anything to talk about, if I'm going to be honest. I guess I'm just gonna end the video. Oh, do you guys want to see Papa's? Hey, Alondra. Sorry, it's dark in here. Hey, Papas. Alondra, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Mommy's cat.
Hey, Papas.
You're the baby who loves us.
Yeah. Hi, Papas. Alondra, brush your hair.
I did.
It doesn't look like it.
Really insulting my hair.
This Papas. Oh, Papas, don't cry. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Huh?